Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I will be talking and going over arithmetic operators. So they're pretty easy and to understand because most of them are like normal math. So let's get started. So add a script, this. So first things first, we want to declare and initialize a variable. So I'm gonna do x equals 10, right? Our first operator is addition, and so like normal math, x plus 10, if we were to print x plus 10, no, x plus 5, it would return to us 15, just like normal math, because x plus 5 is 15. Our next operator is subtraction, and if we were to print x minus 5, it would return to us 5, because 10 minus 5 is 5, right? Our next operator is multiplication, and so if we were to print x 5, using this character called asterisk, we can see that it outputs 50, because 10 multiplied by 5 is 50, right? Pretty easy. Our next operator is division. So if we were to print x divided using a backslash 5, we can see that it outputs 2, because 2 times 5 is 10, but here we are dividing. 10 divided by 2 is 2. No, 10 divided by 5 is 2. Yeah, right? So our next operator is exponents. So like normal exponents, we use the caret key. So x squared would be 100, because 10 times 10 is 100. And if we were to cube it, it would be 1000, right? Our next operator is called negation. So this is basically putting a negative sign in front of a number. So if we were to do 4 as our whole number, and then we put a negative sign, we could see that it turns into -4. And if we were to put parentheses around our 4, it would still become -4, right? Okay, so our last operator is called a modulus, or so-called a modulo. So modulus. So what this character or operator does is it returns the remaining value of a division equation. So if we were to do x modulo 5, it would return 0, because there are no remainders when you do 10 divided by 5, right? So if we were to do 10 modulo 4, that would be 2. It would return 2, because 4 only goes into 10 twice. 4, 8, if we were going one more, it'd be over 10. So we can see that it prints out 2, right? That's pretty much it for arithmetic operators. When you do multiple operators in the same line, it becomes an equation, a complicated equation. And so there is a set of rules, a hierarchy that follows which operator to be used first, and that is called PEMDAS, which you probably already know, the order of operations. So if we were to do 10 plus 5 divided by, no, minus 3 multiplied by 2 modulo 2. So like order of operations, 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 10 plus 4 is 14, and so 14 modulo 2, it would return 0 because there are no remainders when you do 14 divided by 2. So yeah, there's one more I want to go over. It's not a part of arithmetic operators, but it is important. It's called concatenation. And so what it is you can combine multiple strings or data types. So if I were to say I have 10 dogs, I don't want to hard code it, I would do space out of the two quotations, 2 dots, x, right? Because x is 10, 2 dots again, and dogs, right? So it would print out I have 10 dogs. And if you've ever done other programming language, they probably use this as to concatenate. You would probably have to convert this to a string when you concatenate, right? But Roblox doesn't do that. Yeah. So if we were to print it, it would print out I have 10 dogs, just like that. So this wraps up arithmetic operators and modulus modulo, the order of operations that apply when you have multiple operators in the same line, and concatenation when you combine 2 data types together, right? So that's pretty much it. Guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.